Today I'm going to go over how to swap out the windshield wiper blades on this Hyundai Santa Fe. This is part of the 4th generation. This is a 2021, but will work for any of the 4th generation vehicles. First thing we're going to go over is how to put the wiper blades into the service mode, because they won't clear the hood here. So these need to be up vertical like this, otherwise you'll hit right here on the hood. So first up, turn the vehicle on and then turn it off, and grab your windshield wiper blade or your knob here, and that turns it up. So vehicle's on, turn it off, push this up and hold for 3 seconds, and they will go into service mode. When you get back in the vehicle, just turn the vehicle on, press this down, and they will go back down. If it's your first time or you're concerned about smacking the windshield once the blade's off, you can put a blanket or something underneath there, so when you're working on it, the metal arm can't hit the windshield. So for this style of wiper blade, the connectors are different with different brands. This one has a little snap and it pops up, and then you pull it down. So that slides down and that reveals the hook. If you have a different style, a lot of times there is a little clip down here that you will have to pull the tab down and then pull the hook out. So this is the new blade. A lot of times there is this sleeve on here that you need to pull off. So make sure you remove the protective guard. And this is the exact mechanism here. And we're gonna slide this through here. It's gonna hook in, then you close this down. I will have a link to this specific blade here. This slides through here and hooks into place. Actually, hold on. So it is a little tricky because this piece here wants to pivot. So you have to just firmly push here and here, and literally and then it clicks into place, but literally every windshield wiper blade manufacturer connects differently to the car. So this is the one I use. I have a link in the description for these. I'll have the exact size for the Santa Fe with this blade in there, made by Emerson, and then that clicks there. Then we're gonna remove our little safety blanket here, and we have a new wiper blade on there. Now it's gonna be the same process for this guy. There is a longer blade on the driver's side and a shorter blade on the other side, and I'll do that right now. So, and then I do make a commission on all the products on my channel. It helps me out a ton. This is a wiper blade that I use on my personal cars and for friends and family. But let's get this on to there. So I just popped this one up with the key. That pops there. Push down. Remember, if you have one that you might have a different mechanism that you need the clips below here. That's pretty common to get out. Then we're gonna reach in here. This hooks through here. Press firmly up because this thing wants to pivot, and it snaps into place. Snap that into place. We're good to go. Then when you get back in the car, turn it on and hit this guy. Whoop. Oh, one too far, and it lowers the wiper blades. Oh, went one too far. Okay, there we go. But yep, you just have to put it in service mode and then take it out, which is just with this knob here. Then we're gonna take this rear wiper blade is next. This is the full set. This comes away from the vehicle. Then this turns 90 degrees. There's kind of like a snap in there. Let me give you another angle. So there's a little pop right here that you get past, and then another little pop right here. And then you see the arm of the wiper blade here. And this guy You gotta just finagle out like that. You can't put it on wrong. There's two little stoppers there. So we're gonna put a brand new one on. I've got that right here. So this guy goes through like so. Oh, you can't put it on that way because there's the two little stoppers I just mentioned. So yeah, this side, or no, that was the right way. Well, that goes on. Almost defeated me there for a moment, but this goes on here and there's a little click into place. This, well, let me show you right here. This little mechanism's D-shaped. There's a little flat edge and you have to line that up so it clips in just right, and then it pops in. But I'm just being careful because I don't want to break it. Or did I? Nope, that doesn't go that way. The pop is right there. We go. So yeah, there's a little, you got to put a little bit of force on it to pop it in, but it pops out like this, goes in, boom, pop there, and then another pop there, and that's replaced. If this is helpful, give a thumbs up. Links in the description of the full wiper blade set, and we'll catch you next time.